Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Figma student account. First, understand the eligibility requirements. Figma provides free educational accounts to students enrolled in accredited institutions. You will need a valid school email address for the verification process. This ensures you can access all the premium features without any cost, supporting your design education and projects effectively. To begin, navigate to the official Figma education page. Look for the prominent Get Verified or Apply Now button and click it to proceed. Before you can apply, you'll either need to sign in to an existing Figma account or quickly create a new one if you don't have one yet. This step is crucial for linking your student status to your Figma profile. Next, you'll complete the verification form. This involves providing essential details like your school's name, your student identification number, and your anticipated graduation date. You will also need to upload clear proof of enrollment, such as a photo of your student ID card or an official transcript. After submitting, Figma will review your application, which usually takes a few business days. Upon approval, your Figma account will automatically upgrade to the educational plan. This unlocks a wealth of benefits, including unlimited files, the ability to create team projects, and access to all advanced features. The student plan typically remains active for 2 years, providing ample time for your studies. Remember, you can usually renew it by re-verifying your student status.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.